Apparently, Mommy talks on the phone too much to Daddy because Joshua is using a hanger as a phone and talking to his daddy.
Who are you talking to? Joshua, who are you talking to?
Quiet, Aunt Leisha, it's embarrassing. He's been caught. He knows I'm taping. Joshua, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Look at me and say bye-bye. Psst. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.